Hi, this is Sheila Parise, and I am going to be your Psych 112 teacher for this semester. So here's a little bit about me. I'm from Henderson, Nevada, and I attended Ricks College, got my associate's degree, and then I moved on to BYU Provo and got a bachelor's degree in psychology and minored in chemistry. And then I went on to UNLV to get a master's degree in educational psychology. This is me in my office at school. I'm a school counselor currently. I love watching sports, especially soccer. The World Cup is one of my favorite things to watch. And I love listening to books on my iPod. I listen to a lot of them because I'm in my car a lot. And yeah, something I really love to do. And it does block out the kids quite well. Okay, I have some work experience here. I used to tutor for Ricks College while I was there. I was a tutor. And then I was a psychology technician at the Utah State Prison, which was really fun. Ask me about it sometime. And then I was an anesthesia technician in an operating room for several years, and that was a lot. That was very exciting. And then I was a program coordinator for National Multiple Sclerosis Society. And currently I'm a school counselor for the Clark County School District. I've had other jobs while I've been a counselor and before I was a counselor. TV quiz bowl host. I used to host a show on our local PBS station. I still write quiz bowl questions. I was a coroner investigator for a while. I still do volunteer work from time to time. Ice cream parlor waitress, that was in high school, and doctor office medical assistant was in between there sometime. Okay. Currently, I am the camp director in my ward. I have 4 beautiful daughters, and I do love trivia. There's the girls. Kind of an older picture. If I don't have a real recent one, I'll have to get one. My eldest daughter got married. And I'm really excited to explore careers in psychology with you. So let's have a great semester.